Looking for the top investing apps to gain full control of your financial life? An effective app can manage common financial activities, transfer funds to investment accounts, and keep tabs on expenditures. However, the finest ones can give you the ability to instantly trade stocks, track your account in real time, learn about the markets, and do a lot more. Now, who doesn't want that? Before we start discussing our top picks, let's start with the basics. What is an investment app? Investment apps are mobile applications designed to buy and sell stocks and other tradable assets from publicly traded companies through smartphones or tablets. These apps let users quickly access their holdings, monitor stock market performance, and track new investment opportunities. Most offer educational resources and notifications on recent market trends to keep users informed, while helping them develop their own investment strategies. Types of investing apps. Investment apps typically fall into one of three categories. Robo-advisors are applications designed to provide automated investment services through algorithms that need little to no human intervention. Most robo-advisors build and manage portfolios automatically and look for growth opportunities based on users' financial information and goals. The best robo-advisors offer easy configuration, solid security features, and low fees. Discount brokerages offer users complete control over their securities. These types of apps let you buy and sell stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, options, and even cryptocurrency of your preference at a reduced commission fee, or no commission at all. Full-service brokerages follow a more traditional approach. These brokers also give investors online access to their portfolios and let them choose their own investment opportunities. Additionally, they often offer a wider array of services and products, such as retirement and tax planning, wealth management, and investment guidance from dedicated financial advisors. However, they tend to have higher account minimums and fees. Now that we discussed that, let's get into what you all have been waiting for. Number 5. Fidelity Investments. If you want to live your whole financial life on Fidelity Investments, you could do it with ease. At Fidelity, you can get an investment account, a checking account, an IRA, a business retirement account such as an SEP IRA, bill paying, a savings account, a robo-advisor account, and even credit card accounts to cover the big ones. We love this app because you can get all your finances in order with one company on one dashboard and never feel like you're missing a thing. You'll also get solid research on ETFs and mutual funds, tons of articles on budgeting, investing, and personal finance, and webinars too. And if you ever need help, you'll be connected with a courteous and helpful Fidelity rep in short order. If you want all your financial accounts under one roof and you enjoy being treated like a valuable customer, then Fidelity Investments is the app for you. Number 4. Public.com. Public is our pick for the best investment app for its social features that allow you to connect with other investors using the app. Public is another commission-free investment app that offers access to stocks, ETFs, and crypto. What sets it apart from others are its social features, which let you connect and share insight with other traders and financial advisors. Public's community feed is like Twitter for investors. In it, you can keep up with trending news and topics, see what other members are investing in, and post your recent buys and sells. You can also create group chats with people you're following and participate in virtual events within the app. Public offers access to about 900 stock and ETFs and over 25 different crypto coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Avalanche. Additionally, it lets you buy fractional shares for just $1. With Public, you don't need to link a bank account to fund your account. You can simply use a debit card. However, you don't need to link a bank account to withdraw your money. There are some drawbacks, however. Public doesn't offer access to a wide array of tradable assets. For instance, you can't invest in options, mutual funds, or bonds. Additionally, even though the app is currently free, Public may eventually charge a subscription fee for premium features. Number 3. Acorns. Acorns is popularly known for making investing a no-brainer. The mobile app can be configured in less than 15 minutes. You just need to create an account, link a debit or credit card, or add some funds using a checking or savings account. Based on your financial information, Acorns recommends one of its 5 portfolios. These are designed considering risk tolerance and range anywhere from conservative to aggressive. You can also change the portfolio at any time if you want to undertake more or less risk. Acorns stands out for making it easy to set money aside for investing. It rounds purchase transactions up to the nearest dollar, so you can invest spare change automatically. Acorns also features a rewards program that invests cash back from your purchases when you shop from specific brands within the app. Some featured brands include Apple, Walmart, Uber, Nike, and Chewy. Although the app recommends making roundups automatic, it can be done manually too. This gives you more control over the transactions you want to round up. If you want to invest more money, you can customize it to multiply that amount by 2, 3, or 10 times, or schedule one-time or monthly deposits from a checking account. Acorns' main drawback is that it charges a monthly subscription of $3 or $5, depending on the tier you choose. It may not sound like much at first, but a flat fee structure like Acorns can add up in the long term and even exceed your returns, especially if you're just investing small amounts. Number 2. Webull. Webull is our choice for beginners and active traders because it offers extended market hours, advanced charting, and enough educational resources. Webull is a trading app that offers commission-free stocks, ETFs, and options with no minimum deposits. It also supports IRAs and allows investing in crypto and some foreign companies. Although Webull's research tools and charts can seem overwhelming at first, we believe it's a great choice for beginners who don't mind taking some time to learn. It has a learning center full of video explainers and how-tos, alongside a training camp that can be customized based on your investing experience. Beginners can learn and practice how to trade through a simulator where they can place orders using paper or virtual money. Active traders can benefit from Webull's advanced charting and real-time data to place orders and do market research. Another great perk is that it offers access to extended market hours, so you can trade before and after the market closes from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. ET and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Do note, Webull has a $5 minimum for fractional share orders. This might be a drawback for some traders. Number 1. Robinhood. Robinhood is an app that lets you buy and sell stocks for free. Users can buy or sell stocks at market price. The app allows you to make limit orders and stop-loss orders too. Unless you're an active trader, this is plenty of functionality. Plus, the app comes with a clean user interface and basic research tools. Most serious investors should pair Robinhood with one or more free research tools. This will help them develop a more systematic approach to investing. That said, you can't beat Robinhood's free trades. They also allow options, fractional shares, and cryptocurrency investing, but these are limited as well. The drawbacks are really limited, but one of the biggest is that the platform has become unreliable in recent months with large outages impacting investors. Now that you've heard our top 5 best investing apps, you must be thinking, how much money should you invest? While most financial experts recommend dedicating between 5% to 20% of your paycheck to savings and investing, it will all depend on your financial situation, goals, and how much you can actually set aside for investing without compromising other responsibilities. For instance, if you're currently paying multiple credit cards and loans, it would be best to temporarily allocate more money towards paying off those debts first. The good thing about investment apps, however, is that most don't have minimum requirements on how much money you need to start investing. You can literally start with as little as $1. While this may sound like too small of an investment, bear in mind that you can keep adding to your account and investing regularly, so you can build wealth over time. And that's about it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, kindly click the like and subscribe button. Also, you might want to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to watch one of these 2 videos right here. Enjoy!